On today's body cam, we're checking out Hot Topic Thief shows zero remorse.
I didn't even do nothing. Just kidding, I did. I broke the law.
Worker inside, employee, she observes her. They have like one of those mirrors that are up high. She observes her from the mirror. Take this stuff and place it in her purse, and then they pay for whatever, some like change or something, and then they walk out.
Good night! Just leave?
No, if you're detained.
You're being detained right now for shoplifting. So you're not free to go. Okay? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back over there. We're going to do this the hard way now, so I'm going to go back over there and talk to them and everything else. Find out the video, and if it shows you put in there, then we're just going to take it to jail, okay?
Do we want to be honest now?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see what's in the bag.
I took,
Y'all want to read her keychain? That shit is crazy, man. These kids, man. Like, that's the thing that stuck out to me the most. Like, that thing just stuck right out at me, man. What? Yeah.
where's the...
Why weren't we honest from the get-go? Because it would have been real simple and easy. And now you've already pissed him off.
I didn't think it hard.
Do you mind if I search the rest of your bag? Alrighty. Ricky, you mind just chilling with her for a minute?
Yeah.
You mind if I use your counter real quick? Forgot about that?
Wow.
Zoomies. You literally had a coupon, girl.
It's for $50 only.
I think it's better than jail, though, right? I mean, that's just my opinion. Alrighty. Let me see these. Alrighty. Hold that. Okay, hands behind your back.
Assume the position. Going to jail, man. Something stupid.
These are from Deputies, I think.
I'm wondering if she's with my crop or be wearing it under her shirt.
Being arrested?
Yeah. Now you going to jail, the room.
Tell my mom I went with dignity, even though I did it. He didn't take anything. You're too pure. Good Christian boy. I don't think you find this very funny, but I think it's really funny.
Tired still.
You're
I know.
Third monster.
I know, and I slept all day. I'm so tired.
Oh my god. Same though. I'm so tired. I'm so
To see if they want to get a beat unit for 1014.
Oh, actually, listen to the cop for my Look, I did my makeup. Can't be caught with us.
He's 55 for you.
Yeah.
Spray me, for real. I didn't even do nothing. Just kidding, I did. I broke the law.
I get him.
They said she had an attitude, so they want to prosecute.
Yeah. She has an attitude holier than thou. Free me, I did nothing wrong. She had 2 coupons, too.
Hot Topic said, yeah, they want to prosecute.
You guys have her attitude problem.
So,
She thinks she's hot shit. So, alright, hop on out.
Okay.
Alright, we're gonna switch caps, so turn around, face there.
How much money do you spend coloring your hair?
Not much.
You'll get a copy of this, but you cannot come back on property for 2 years.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Yeah, little wrists. She's prosecuting.
Okay.
This
Shocker for both.
This is just... See, she thinks she's going through that. She thinks life is a game. She's young. She think everything is a joke, man. This isn't funny. This is how crime, things like this start. Little petty crimes, right? She's gonna go in there and she'll be there for a couple of hours or something. and get let out and all that stuff, right? But she's not going to learn a lesson from this, though. And it wouldn't surprise me if she kept doing it, you know what I mean? And things just got bigger and bigger and bigger. This is crazy, man. And then doesn't dyeing your hair a lot, doesn't that hurt damage your hair? That's off another topic, you know, but ladies, let me know. Doesn't that damage your hair when you keep dyeing it, you know, and stuff like that? But anyway, let's continue.
Both of them, honestly.
Well, I think because of the attitude that she gave to me, that was the reason. She said, I don't like her effing attitude. She said, she had a better attitude. I might have thought differently, but she I was like, all right. So,
Fair enough.
deal.
Yeah. Hey there, what's your first name? Okay, I'm Deputy Bowles, and I'm obviously taking over the investigation, okay? They read you your Miranda rights?
No.
Okay.
No one's Miranda rights.
Okay, I'm gonna read it again, okay? So you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one is and license. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes.
Having these rights, and then do you wish to talk?
Yes.
Okay, so what happened?
I just I stole some stuff.
Why?
Because I wanted to.
Did you have the money?
No.
Okay.
I have a little bit like that.
Not $200 worth.
That's not the amount of crap I took.
Zoomies is about 130 something, and then
So that's not petty theft?
it is petty theft.
Okay, thank God.
Have you ever got caught stealing before?
Nope.
Okay. So
Yeah, but clearly she's done her research. She knows not to take a certain amount because it could turn into a felony. So yeah, she's taking life as a joke, man. She needs a wake up call. She needs to be put in there with Big Bertha, and just for the weekend. You know what I mean? See, that's why sometimes when you get locked up on a Friday, you don't get out until Monday because you might have to see a judge and all that stuff, whatever. If it's a little serious, she's just gonna be in there a couple hours. But you got the weekend, you might be in there with Big Bertha, man. She gonna get you right.
other than that, why?
I just liked stuff, he said.
So when you went into Hot Topic, what happened?
I talked to some employees, talked to my friend, and I took some stuff and left, and then the cop followed me. Started talking to me.
Did they see you stealing on Hot Topic, you think? Or did you try to conceal it?
Well, they came up to me and they were like, "Oh, if someone saw you put something in your bag," and I
The cops?
yeah, and I was like, I lied. I'm like, I didn't put anything. Okay, but I did. I did. I didn't know that they had the footage, so, but I thought I could find. But I'm not in a house. I took shit.
Okay, and then Zoomies.
I guess they
Just
just found
Zoomies before?
Zoomies before, and they just found that stuff in my bag.
Okay. So they found the Hot Topic stuff in your bag too? After they saw footage?
Yep.
Okay. Alright, it'll be a couple minutes. I still got a report to type, okay? Is the fan on?
Yep.
Okay. I'll roll down the window. Just call me if you need anything. I gotta wait for the statements because faster I can type here, the longer you don't have to sit in my car, okay? Fair? This is your copy of the trespass, okay? So you can't go to the mall for about 2 years. Or else you'll be arrested. So I don't think it's worth it. So we're gonna go through this door up here, and then you'll turn your back to me, and then I'll take the cuffs off. These two. But I just have to give them victim owner manual.
She was charged with the first-degree misdemeanor of petty theft. All in all, she stole the Mall Goth Girl starter pack, a package of black faux nails, some gummy candies, an eyeshadow palette, a black long-sleeve shirt, one black bikini, and a studded belt.
Hit the subscribe, let the 808 slide.